Many of you enthusiasts who has bought this 1/8 model of the Goldfinger 007 Aston Martin DB5 has had a problem with the ejector seat. It simply won't fix into position. I found a solution, a very simple and cheap solution, using a paper clip. What you have to do is to unscrew the bottom, it's 8 screws, and just put it on the side like shown on the picture here. Then what I've done is that I have inserted a paper clip just behind the little harness. I think it's called 32C, in such a way that the two fixing points, the screw and the little nut, fixes the paper clip in such a way that it can't move. I have filed the paper clip a little bit so that it is flat, where it pushes gently the 32A, which is the lever that holds the seat. And once you've done that and put it all together again, it works perfectly as intended. Thank you very much.